whooshy noises!
Oh. Yeah! Okay, let's go!
Welcome back to the Bag Riders YouTube channel. My name is Zach, and today we are working on the Skyline yet again. Whoa! That was pretty awesome. Do it again, do it again! That does not taste good at all. But this is the gist of how it sounds. So get ready for some more loud.
More louder, more better.
More louder, more JDM better. Give her a little skirt.
Let's go put some stuff on this car.
Let's do it.
You know what? I'm gonna say it. I'm actually more excited for the intake than I am for the exhaust. Yeah. I like whooshy noises a lot.
We want whooshy noises!
Induction sounds over exhaust sounds. That's a really unpopular opinion, but that's how I take it.
Yeah, so we got new APEXi super speed intake filter. It's one of those like really fancy names that's it's just an intake. So we're gonna throw it on and see if more JDM means more better.
We'll find out.
JDM more better.
JDM more better.
JDM cool better.
JDM cooler better.
And then we installed this. Did you get it? Oh, look at that, you got it.
What do I say? I say fire it up, give her some gas, make the red line bounce. Let's see if
Dang, can't you hear all that 150 horsepower?
Hey, 120. Let's make it way more loud.
let's warm up the exhaust. First thing you do when you do an exhaust before you take the stock one off, you want to make sure you get it as hot as possible. What he said. Yeah, okay, let's go. We're about to install this thing.
Hey, that's a nice.
This just goes in like this. In all seriousness, what we have here is the pinnacle in JDM engineering for the noises that come out of your motor, aka your exhaust. This is the APEXi N1 Evolution, and we're about to put it in our 1990 R32 Skyline sedan.
Let's get a little look at the tip, just the tip.
I haven't seen it on the ground yet.
Ooh, it's so big.
That's what she said.
Good. So good. Oh baby. Excited, Wilson?
Yeah, I am actually.
Ready?
Let's see how she sounds.
Let her rip, Tater Chip. Okay.
Very tame to start.
Very tame start, but louder. Yeah.
Oh! Now that's making some RB sounds that we want.
Give her full beans, Taylor.
Now I think it needs some more turbo noise. Yes, I would agree.
Yeah, like a bigger turbo noise?
Oh, I wish.
My reaction.
Oh yeah, it's good. I like it. The pops. I was expecting louder, to be honest.
Yeah. No, after I stuck my face in that exhaust and screamed through it, I was, this is about exactly as to be expected. And we're not under load yet, so we're gonna go get some lunch in this sweet bad boy. Sorry, no drive-thrus. Woo!
You can hear something.
All right, she's got a few miles on her, warmed her up a little bit. She was breaking up a little bit on the highway, so we got some new spark plugs. Pluggers. I bet I'd put money that we pull out these plugs and they are spanked.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Now time for some flybys. Oh, the oh my. Whipping it. Oh. I don't want to drive it because the cops are probably going to come now.
I'll
That's
go drive it.
He's going for a drive. Choo-choo. Give her some good rips so Kevin can drive it and get pulled over. All right, feed her the dinner, buddy. Dude.
Best burnout yet.
Yes.
There you have it. We just put a sweet new exhaust on here. The most important thing that we discovered is it does great burnouts. The burnouts are much better now. Next time you see this car, we're gonna put some sweet GK Tech suspension goodies on here.
Yes, we are.
They're gonna make it go a little bit lower in the front. We'll see just how much lower.
Thank you for watching.
So, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to see more sweet Bag Riders YouTube content. Peace out.
And burnouts.
And burnouts, because we're gonna do burnouts and everything. Okay, see ya.